In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prototype in Framer, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. With these easy steps, you'll transform your Figma designs into fully interactive prototypes. Let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and perform a quick search for Figma to HTML with Framer. This is an essential tool that streamlines the process of converting your design files into a web-friendly format that Framer can work with. Once you find the right plugin, follow the prompts to add it to your Figma setup. This usually involves a few simple clicks to ensure everything's correctly installed. Now, after you've set up the plugin, open up your Figma file. Identify the layer you wish to incorporate into Framer. With that layer selected, right-click it and navigate to the Plugins menu that pops up. From there, choose the Figma to HTML with Framer plugin. This action activates the plugin and prepares it to convert the chosen layer into HTML, ready to transfer over to Framer. Once you see a pop-up confirming that the layer has been copied to your clipboard, hop over to Framer where you have your project open. Simply paste the layers right inside. This seamless transfer keeps your workflow smooth and efficient, ensuring your design maintains its integrity in the transition. With the design now in Framer, you have the creative freedom to enhance it further. You can add layers, define states, and set global styles that match your brand or project's aesthetic. Framer makes it easy to refine the look and feel, allowing you the flexibility to polish your design. What's a prototype without a little interactivity? Framer has a built-in component library packed with tools to elevate your design. Incorporate interactive components like input fields and buttons directly from this library. These elements will enable users to engage with your prototype, simulating a more realistic user experience. After adding interaction, it's time to bring your prototype to life. Click on the browser view to see your work in action. This live preview is crucial as it enables you to experience your design from a user's perspective, identifying potential improvements along the way. Finally, once you're satisfied with your prototype, generate a shareable link. This link is a powerful tool. It allows others to interact with your design and, importantly, to provide feedback. Share it with colleagues, stakeholders, or potential users to gather insights and observations that can refine and enhance your prototype. And there you have it, a fully functional prototype in Framer in just a few easy steps. This process not only brings your designs to life, but also opens up new opportunities for collaboration and iteration. Happy prototyping!